Hi, and welcome to Quiz Buzz. Hey, my scary creatures. Are you ready to guess your favorite horror movie character dance? In this video, we will have 15 different questions, 4 bonus ones, 1 mystery that you need to guess. For every question, you get 1 point. Write us in the comments how many correct answers you had. Before we begin, subscribe so you don't miss out on future quizzes. All right, let's go. Round 1. Do you know who is dancing in this video? That's right, it's Pennywise. Round 2.
Bad bitch and she from Chinatown. Hop on the whip, get off fast, dodge your rounds. Smoke on gas and I'll be serving up.
Any clue on who this talented dancer is? Great! It's Young-hee.
Bad bitch and she from Chinatown. Hop on the whip, get off fast, dodge your rounds. Smoke on gas and I'll be
Oh shit, shake that ass one moving like a gypsy. Stop, fall back, get up there, let me see it.
Which famous scary character is dancing on this clip? This is Freddy Krueger!
Oh shit, shake that ass one moving like a gypsy. Stop, fall back, get up there, let me see it.
Round 4. Do you recognize this scary dance move? Amazing! This is GHOSTFACE. Bonus question. Which character is scarier? Pennywise or Ghostface? Write us in the comments.
Michael Myers. Michael.
Do you recognize the dancer behind this amazing dance moves? It is Scary Michael Myers.
Michael Myers.
Round 6.
Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you right?
Who is dancing on this clip? You're doing great. It's Jason Voorhees.
Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you right?
Can play with me, you better watch your back. The last thing that you hear would be my laugh.
Do you recognize this famous dance moves? Yep, that's Megan.
Can play with me, you better watch your back. The last thing that you hear would be my laugh.
Round 8.
I'll dance with my hands above my head.
If you guess this dancer, you need to subscribe. Yes, it's Wednesday Addams. Did you guess correctly?
I'll dance with my hands above my head.
Bonus question, who is a better dancer, Megan or Wednesday Addams? Write us in the comments. Round 9. Who is the owner of these scary dance moves? It's Demon Nun. Round 10. You can recognize this walk, don't you? Correct! It's Reagan McNeil! This amazing dance move belongs to... You're right! Jigsaw! Round 12. What is the name of the dancer in this clip? Yup, it's Samara Morgan. Bonus question, who has a scarier dance? Reagan McNeil or Samara Morgan? Write us in the comments. Round 13. What is the name of the character showing these amazing dance moves? The scary Pinhead. Round 14. Which famous person is behind this clip? It is Frankenstein. Round 15. The name of the character dancing in this clip is... the SLENDERMAN. And for the mystery round, who is the cursed doll dancing in this clip? You guessed correctly, it's Annabelle. And the last bonus question, who are you scared the most, SLENDERMAN or Annabelle? Write us in the comments. You came to the end of this scary horror quiz. Did you have fun, or are you scared to death? You did great! Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes and pick your next scary challenge.